Pros versus.
Hold my beer for a second. Watch this.
I'll take a crack at this walkway. You want me to do the deck while I'm at it? And the other stones too. Okay, yeah. I suppose I'll see you next week, I guess then. Yeah. No, we don't need to call them. I'll try not to get drunk this time when I won't use any of the limes. I know this is algae because it's green. Ah! I need rubber boots. I mean, it's not really coming clean. Yeah, it didn't work on the roof because these chlorine tabs don't dissolve. They take forever to dissolve. Oh yeah. It looks like I got a drug problem. A big time problem. There we go. I'm almost done, I swear. I don't want to go to their stupid birthday party anyway. Yeah. Yeah, it's not quite all coming out. Now I can't get the caked off chlorine out of the brick. Yeah. No, I quit trying to do the sidewalk. There's too many crevices. I'll just try scrubbing it. It looks like that black algae stuff. Why are there so many bees out here? I suppose you want me to do the railing too, huh? Yep, yeah. I don't think I'm getting the deck clean. I think the deck is getting me dirty. Yeah, I think this will do it in a couple days. What time is that party we gotta go to? As long as I have time to take a nap. I don't even know what this is. Yeah, it's brutal out here. Just a little bit more and I think I'll have her. Yeah, I know. We're gonna call Kahuna. Yep. Yep, I know. Thank God. Hey Andy, thanks for coming out. What's up with the cones?
I think my wife has one of these.
Your cone's heavier than mine. Do you guys play soccer every once in a while? You get a soccer game going when you're playing?
Nope.
Andy's cleaning the roof! This cone is bigger than the one that I usually wear. Hey, I found this. It's in the back of your truck. So what, you got some big tanks in there. Is that all full of light beer, or what do you got in there?
So in here we have our soaps and algicides. Sodium hypochlorite is the technical term. It's going to go on super soft. Softer than even like a garden hose pressure.
Is that why they call it soft washing?
That is, that's right.
Wow. Andy's cleaning the roof!